Hello viewers, I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel I do have. আজি মই আপোনালোক সকলোৰ সন্মুখত বিশেষ কৰি আজি ফাৰ্ষ্ট মই ভিডিঅ'টো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰিব গৈ আছোঁ স্পোকেন ইংলিছ সম্বন্ধে এভৰিডে ইংলিছ we find that we can see that our students are not that means able to speak in English, those who are from vernacular medium, and they also feel hesitate, and most of the people in our surrounding they feel very difficult to express their feeling in English language or in English. So মই এটা ভাবিলোঁ যে বিশেষ কৰি ভিডিঅ'খিনি তেনেকুৱা হওক যে আমি যি এভৰিডে ফ্ৰম মৰ্ণিং টু ইভিনিং ৰাতিপুৱা টোপনিৰ পৰা উঠাৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ কৰি ৰাতি টোপনি যোৱালৈকে আমি যিখিনি কাম কৰোঁ, যিখিনি এক্টিভিটিজ, দ্য ৱৰ্কছ ডেট উই ডু, দ্য এক্টিভিটিজ ডেট উই ডু, সেইখিনি কভাৰ কৰি পেলাই যদি এটা কোৰ্চ বনোৱা যায়, I think it will be very much helpful for all those who are interested in learning English. আৰু I will try my level best to cover all those aspects one by one. তো আজি যিটো মই টাইটেল দিছোঁ এভৰিডে ইংলিছ, আমি যিখিনি সদায় ইউজ কৰোঁ ইংলিছ, চ' আজিৰ টপিকছটো অলপ বেলেগ ধৰণে আছে. নেক্সট উইল ডিছকাছ on other topics, and in that way gradually if we study or if we read and if we do practice regularly, so after 30 or after a month or after 30 days you can see, or anybody can see that he's that means he's capable of speaking in English. So let us see what is there. So here we can see that two pictures are there, image, one image is there, and here one question here I have written, do you speak English? One question I have given here, do you speak English? Most of us reply that no, we do not. But be positive, it is possible. Just say yes, I do, I can. Everything is possible, only need to do practice regularly. Practice makes man perfect. So let us see what is here, and we will involve in conversation, we will discuss so many things, and gradually so it will be very much helpful for all those who are interested in English. So মই ভাবো so here it is a picture for all of you. Look at the picture. পিকচাৰত কি আছে ভালদৰে think about it. কোন কোন আছে, কি কৰি আছে, কি ড্ৰেছ আছে, কি খাই আছে, হাতত কি আছে, সেইখিনি গোটেইখিনি এটা. So here we can see that 5 people are sitting in front of the round table. They are smiling, they are taking meal, or they are with knife and spoon, they are cutting, they are sizing the dishes and eating, is not it? And there we can see that 3 ladies, or we can say that 3 gentlewomen and 2 men. So we can have a good conversation, we can arrange a good conversation out of this picture, and this is one of the best ways to learn communication. So friends, we come across so many pictures, so many images in our day-to-day life. So out of that we can create, that means sentences. We can create a lot of sentences, we can imagine about the picture, and after doing imagination we can write sentences, we can talk sentences, we can talk on all those things. Okay, so I hope you will do practice at your own level. So I have given some hints, so on the basis of that hints you just do practice at your home. Just see, then you will find a lot of improvement in you. So come to the next slide. Yes, how at the table conversation disu, there are 2 characters, Puja and Karavi, both are talking, and what is about, let us see. So Puja is the first character. She says, I think it is a good restaurant. Have you been before, or have you been here before? So Karavi replied, yeah, I have been here twice. I like its food, especially the appetizers. Puja, let's sit over there. Karavi, okay. Puja, let's order food. Karavi, shoo. What would you like to order in the appetizers? Pooja, what can you order from the non-veg menu? Karabi, I prefer chicken, malai, tikka and kebabs. Pooja, so let's order chicken tikka and mutton kebabs. Karavi, would you like to have wine or any other drink? Pooja, I will have a bridger, the Canterbury flavor. Karavi, okay. Pooja, do you wish to order something else in the starters? Karavi, let's order something from the vegetarian menu also. I heard they serve good tandoori chop here. Would you like it? Pooja, if you wanna have it, then let's get it. Karavi, okay. What would you have in the main course? Pooja, are you out of your mind? I don't think we would be able to finish off the appetizers, let alone the main course. Karavi, yeah, let's see. By the way, how would you rate the ambience of this place? Pooja, it looks good and especially the lighting. Let's check out the food as well. Karavi, I am sure you will like that too. So these are the conversations between Pooja and Karavi. There in the restaurant, they are discussing what to take and what not to take. They are talking about appetizers, fast food, and they are discussing what to give order actually. So both are discussing about all that things. Let us have some vocabularies, and we need to understand the meaning of some words. There, be out of your mind. It becomes crazy. We sometimes say, don't be crazy. So having lost control of one's mental faculties, insane mad. আমি কোন হয় পাগল হয়ে গলা নেকি তুমি ইমানবোৰ হেৰি কৰি আছা সম্ভৱ নেকি তেনেকুৱা আর ই ম্যাড is it possible we say sometime mad let alone used to express that next thing is impossible अकेला छोड़ देना একটু রাখি দিয়া সাইডত রাখি দিয়া it is not possible let alone impossible আৰু check out so examine something so obviously we do examine before taking something check out examine so these are some vocabularies you need to know it because vocabulary as we know that is very important for spoken english or for any kind of language then we have at a restaurant ordering a meal. They are inside the restaurant and they are going to order a meal for them. Waiter, hello. They are sitting. Waiter has come in front of them. A waiter responds in that way. Hello, I will be your waiter today. Can I start you off with something to drink? And yeah, I would like an iced tea. Maria, what is special in the appetizers? Waiter, ma'am, you do have an entire section of roasted and barbecue, both in vegetarian and non-vegetarian, which is quite popular with our customers. You can try any of that. Maria, okay, I will have chicken wings with salsa dip. Waiter, can I take the order for the next course now or do you need a few minutes? And I think we are ready. I will have tomato soup and roasted chicken with mashed potatoes and peas. Maria, I will just have a fish with mashed potatoes and a salad. Waiter, would you like to order anything in dessert? No, I will have an apple pie. Maria, I will have an ice cream sundae. So they are talking what to give order and they are giving order what the dishes they like or what appetizers they like. They are giving order to waiters to bring all the things. And after finishing up the meals, again, could you have the check, please? Check, you know the check. Waiter, shoe in a moment. Please make it snappy. That means they are talking about bill here. Please make it snappy. Snappy mean quick, fast. We have to leave for somewhere real quick. Make it quick. Waiter, here is your bill, ma'am. Thanks. Here you go. handing the bill amount to the waiter. Thanks a lot, ma'am. Have a nice day ahead. So here are also some vocabularies. Let us see what is here. Start off means comment shuru kare. कहते हैं ना, let us start off, let us commence. So appetizer, what is appetizer? Here in the conversation we can see appetizer comes so many times, many times here appetizer come. A small dish of food actually, or a drink taken before a meal or the main course of a meal. हम खाने से पहले जो कुछ लेते हैं, थोड़ा कुछ main खाने से पहले, this is called appetizer, small. And barbecue, a meal or gathering at which meat, fish and other food is cooked out of doors. बाहर में जो खाना पकाते हैं बाहर में, उसको कहता है और मीट फिश जो है अदर फूड आइटम. Dessert, the sweet course eaten at the end of a meal. After finishing meal, there is also accustomed to serve dessert sweet course at some areas. Snappy means, as I told you, fast, quick. So there are some that means pictures, images of some was barbecue. As I say, there you can see the picture here. Something is roasted outside, maybe fish or something else. Dessert, sweet items are there. Appetizer, small food that is served before the main food item, and iced tea also. This is one of the that means drink actually. So these are the pictures I have shared so that you can understand. So it is very easy to understand, and I hope you read the I hope you will go through it. You read the sentences, you try to understand the meaning. So if you go through the, that means slides, if you go through this video 3-4 times, it will help you a lot to understand so many things. And if you visit regularly, and if you go through all those videos that I am going to share, I hope after 30 days you will be able to learn English very nicely. So hope so I can share, I can help you little bit, whatever possible from my end. So thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you.